Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you some secrets of Chandan, also known as Jugadu sir and physics enthusiast and whatnot. You all know about it. Actually, even I was thinking that he just into teaching and a little bit guitar and maybe he's a physics enthusiast and all these. But when I got to see his drawing book, I was like, what? He's also an artist. So I would like to show some beautiful drawings that has been done by Chandan. So yeah, so his drawing book starts with this Om. So if you would have seen in my personal channel video, that is we making all the arrangements for the whiteboard. So he had started the writing things on the board with Om. So he had this habit of starting anything with Om. That's very good thing to know. And the next drawing would like to show some geometrical drawings. So there are some simple drawings like this, and also I could feel like, okay, this is how he was into nature even in his childhood. So that's why he has done all this small boat with a person. It's not about Chandan. Even when I used to draw something, all I used to get in my mind is boat, water, trees. So this is going to be there with everyone. And I want to show some good drawings that has been done. Like a lot of things that is not related also he has done. So by this drawing, I was able to make out, okay, so getting into NASA or loving astronomy and physics was from his childhood. So paths are different, but determination is constant. Oh, so this is what has been written. So he has drawn a small rocket, NASA rocket, or I don't know, whatever, satellite, spaceship, I don't know. So I felt very good when I saw this, and I love my India. He has written in a calligraphy. Yeah. And I would like to show you some very good drawings, okay? Also, a lot of things was not like he hadn't done very well. Oh, he is a Sai Baba Bhakt, so he has drawn Sai Baba drawing as well. Very good. Nice. Right? You know, a lot of things will remain same. Like whatever thought process that he has right now, I guess it is being there from his childhood. That's what I could realize. That is, he has written something here, that is Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism, Christianity. I'm proud to be an Indian. I salute my country. So unity in diversity. Also not discriminating between the religion and everything, like it is still there. Oh my god, NASA, Dare to Dream, Kalpana Chawla, who's a real dreamer. Very happy to see this. I just wanted to, he has no idea that I'm doing these things. Close the door and doing all this stuffs. National Astronomical Space, okay, that is NASA full form. The academy is here, but the stars are there. That's what is being written. If you want to have a close up. Okay. Oh, some really good drawings is being done. Krishna, not Vishnu, the same actually. Very beautiful drawing once again. So I could see a really good artist in him when I opened this drawing book, which I can't believe that he has done. Right? So I will also ask him to make some more drawings. So very beautiful. So I too had this flair for art, especially flair for drawings and all these things. I also used to draw, paint and all these. So this is the one thing I got to know about Chandan after getting married, after finding this drawing book. So what I realized is what we dream we become. Like he dreamt about maybe NASA, astronomy, and all these things. So that's why he is motivating you to, get into NASA and do something on space research, astronomy, and so on. So that's all for today. Like I'm actually telling that his students he try motivating to get into NASA and so on. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's meet in the coming video. Bye bye.